Hey guys, welcome to my latest listing located at 4669 Elmwood Road in the beautiful city of Sobrante. Conveniently located, easy access to Freeway, near Wildcat Canyon Park, with lots of hiking trails, a short ride to the San Pablo Reservoir, and less than 10 miles to Orinda. Are you ready to take a tour? Let's do it! Welcome in guys, this lovely home offers 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, bonus room for in-home office with updates throughout the home, and great indoor-outdoor flow. Oh hey there! You caught me in the middle of yoga. With such a private backyard here, this is perfect for workout, yoga, meditation, or if you're a garden lover. Thanks for taking a tour guys. So what do you think about the property? I love the private oasis this house has to offer. Can you imagine yourself to escape from the hectic pace of Bay Area life to your own private sanctuary after a long day? We are located at 4669 Elmwood Road in Sobrante. For more information, please check out our website or contact us today for showing. We'll see you there soon.